Hey, welcome back. The new oil pump has arrived, and today we're going to put that in. They have some parts here. They call this the holder. I don't think it's got any kind of damage on it. Next, you've got the O-ring here. This interfaces with the front of the oil pump. And that does, to me, appear to be flattened out from its normal being less useful, or is it still working? I don't know. But we have a replacement for that. This one's not so flattened out. That one doesn't want to let loose. I want to make sure and take this awful carefully. Oh my God, it's like it's fused. Okay, I've got a little breaker bar here, which I'm not going to put too much force into, but it gives me a more steady torque on this. Oh, I'm glad that came apart. Oh boy, did you hear that? Next, they want you to take off this oil pipe, which you can't do unless you take the clutch off. But it can be done. There's a dowel in the back side of the oil pump. Now you'll find this is different throughout some of the years. O-ring at the back side of the pump as well. I'm going to use a little bit of grease to hold this in place here. I'm not sure if this is going to do any good, but I'm going to prime this oil pump a little bit. I'm not sure if it'll all run out before I get there. But I remember the last time I replaced an oil pump, I had a very hard time priming it. So let's just get some in there now. We're certainly letting hidden air come out of there. You see that? It's accepting it. I'm not sure where it's going, but it's going somewhere. So like I say, I don't know if this is going to run out by the time I get it up into place, but at least it has something in it to get it going, because it keeps letting more air out. Let's see if we can wiggle this dude into place. I don't know how much of the last segment you got, because when I looked up the camera was shut off, but I just wiggled the pump into place and got the oil pipe right here. I got it bent back into shape, and I'm just giving it a final tightening right now. Anti-seize lubricant by Permatex. Got some brand new washers here that are being difficult. I usually reuse these over just because I don't have enough. I don't have new ones on hand. You know, I don't worry about it. I really haven't had any leaks because of that. But if I had new ones, I would certainly put them on. That's what we've got going here today. Brand new 905/44 439 930s. Just reading something the other day about what the numbers mean. Each segment out of those 3 segments tells a person who knows what the numbering system is right where that part belongs on a bike. Tells them the year, the assembly, the sub-assembly. Okay, there you go. There you go. When they ask you what you did today, you can tell them you watched a XR600R oil pump go in. I really like riding this one. It feels so good, whether I'm on the street or the dirt. I'm hoping that this one turns out the same way, but we're not there yet. There's lots more to go. Stick around.